Cooper from Know It, and today I want to show you something that you can build for this Lego plane exactly. I don't know if there are another one, but here it is. So this is the mini skid steer set. If you know what model it is, good for you. And I built this little trailer for it, and I got rid of things over here. So this knob on top, if you spin it, it will lift this up, lift it back up, and it will let you bring the plane over and bring it up and lay it right down. The tires fit snug in there, and then you can twist it down to lay it back on the ground, and then you can be on your way, make it to the runway on time and realistically. So if you can, consider smash that like button, trying to get to 100 subscribers before December here in 2024. So if you can, consider smashing that like button, hitting that thumbs up, and yeah, so peace.